so jumping right into it, my eyebrows are done and my eyelids are already primed, and I'm going to go into the Crayon Case palette in the color Tan, and I'm just going to start blending that into my crease and as a transition color, just to bring a little warmth back into my eyelids since they are pretty neutral right now. Next, I'm going back into that same palette and I'm going to take the color Brown, and now I'm just going to start deepening and defining my crease even more, so just working that in back and forth motions across my eyelid. Next, going into my Kat Von D Monarch palette, I'm just going to take that dark brown color and I'm just going to start deepening my outer V now. And then off camera, I ended up doing a struggle cut crease. So it looks a mess right here, but I'm going to make it work and pull it all together. So I'm going back into that crayon case and I'm going to take this color Yellow and I'm going to start pressing that into the inner corner and kind of blending it out about halfway, maybe 3/4 of that cut crease area, but I'm not going to take it all the way to the end. Now I'm going to grab the color Gold and I'm going to place that on the outer part of the cut crease and blend it into the yellow eyeshadow that we laid down first. Then I'm going to go back in with that same brush that I used for the brown, and I'm just going to kind of blend some of that brown into the gold just to have a nice even and smooth transition between the colors. And then I'm basically going to repeat those steps. So I'm going to pack on the yellow, pack on the gold, and then blend the brown in, and this is just to make sure that I get the ultimate pigmentation and that this yellow color really shows up. So I had this gold pigment from BH Cosmetic that I decided that I was going to throw onto that outer corner. So right here I'm just applying some glitter glue on that outer part, and then I'm just going to take some of that gold pigment. Again, it's from BH Cosmetic, and I'm just going to start applying it to basically over that gold eyeshadow that we put down earlier, just to make it pop even more. And so I applied my lashes and did the rest of my face off camera, and now I'm going to just apply some highlights. So first I'm using this Fenty Beauty match stick, and this is the color Rum, and then I'm going into Anglowla from the Crayon case, and just applying it over the areas where I applied around. Now to finish the eyes off, I'm going to go into this blue color and just apply that into my lower lash line. Again, this is a Golden State Warriors inspired eyeshadow look, so I had to figure out how to put some blue into it. Honestly, at first I was just going to do the yellow, but then I was like, no, why not just go for it and apply the blue at the bottom. And I actually love the way this eye look came out. And for lips, I'm keeping it simple, doing my signature nude. So this is Snob, and then I'm going to apply some Fenty Gloss Bomb on top of it, and that is it. Like I was saying, I really enjoyed this look. I wore this for game 3. They have now won the series, but I didn't want to wear any like actual Warriors gear, so I decided to just do my eyeshadow in Warriors colors that day. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.